Tabas, an advisor of grade 11 PhD.
Shall we start now? Okay, here's my first question to you, ma'am. How do PTA meetings help you understand students better?
So, PTA meeting is very important to, in order that the parents will understand the behavior of their students. So, through PTA meetings, it is a way to know the behavior, and it is a way to understand more about the students' behavior, because the behavior of their students is different from the behavior of their child at home. So, through this PTA meeting, so I will suggest that the parents should attend PTA meetings in order for them to better understand the behavior of their students.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. That was so insightful answer. And my last question is, what challenges do you face in engaging parents during PTA conference?
Okay. So, the challenges that I faced during PTA meetings is the parents nga kanang gusto mo reklamo. Pero kanang through that, kay naman na sila kaugalingon nga opinion, most especially mo reklamo gid na sila kung wala na sila makasabot. So para mas makasabot sila sa kung sa may ilang gireklamo, I will let them explain, or I will explain the topics easy para mas makasabot sila. Unya, dili lang yun ang mas maayo man nga ang pagreklamo na asod sa classroom. Unya, ako ana siya ni-explain para ining abot sa gawas, dili na sila nga magyaw-yaw.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was so impactful answers, and we can also gain knowledge from you. Thank you for sparing your time with me. Then have a great day, ma'am. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure.
Before I conduct my interview, ma'am, can we introduce yourself? Alright, so I am Ma'am Maricho Corion, the advisor of grade 8 and I'm also an English subject. So my question, ma'am, is what is the primary purpose of a parent-teacher conference?
The primary purpose of the parent-teacher conference is that it will help and assist, especially the learnings of the students. They will boost their confidence also, and the parents also knows about their academic performance.
Then, as a teacher, what are the roles of the teacher in this conference?
So the role of the teacher in this conference, especially the parents-teacher conference, is that the teacher will again give maybe somewhat like assistance also, in which they would know the progress of the results of the learners, especially in school. Not only the academic performance, but also their behavior in school.
Then, how can parents and teachers collaborate effectively during these meetings?
During this meeting, maybe there will be active participation, sharing important insights, and of course, it will be an open questions in which parents also will ask to the teacher regarding their learners.
Then, lastly, how important is the parent-teacher conference?
How important? It is very important because in that way, if there will be a teacher-parents conference, there will be somewhat like an open communication in which the teacher will also provide tips and updates regarding the learners' improvement in school.
Thank you for your preparation, and I really appreciate preparation of this. That's all.